At ACCISS, we help surgeons when they have complex surgical challenges. We are able to convert the conventional medical images of patients into three-dimensional virtual objects. If they want to cut with precision in certain areas, we can define the cutting planes.
The problem we're dealing with here is cancer. The treatment for a cancer in the jaw, all other things being equal, would be to resect that portion of the jaw. And the contemporary method of reconstructing this kind of defect in the mandible would be to use a piece of bone from somewhere else. Getting the segment of bone correct is important.
The current gold standard is the use of 3D printed cutting guides,
which ensures that the piece fits as accurately as possible without us needing to do any adjustment to that piece of bone. In the past, we would have done this freehand, so the guides are definitely an improvement upon what we used to do.
The ultimate goal is that instead of using the physical guides, the surgeons can use the headsets.
So for this task, this is harvesting a segment of the fibula bone in the leg. The surgeon can wear the headset, they fix the QR code to the patient, and then they get an overlay of the virtual surgical plan. And then what I can see through the HoloLens is an overlay of the virtual surgical plan with a hologram of the fibula, the tibia bone, the vasculature. Additionally, we have, that I'm moving and manipulating now, we have a mandible with the ideal reconstruction, and then a control panel that allows you to change the opacity of the holograms, the position, and what we can see in terms of anatomy.
If this can work, there's a lot of different applications in reconstructive surgery that this could be used for.
Augmented reality allows you to create a cutting guide in a fraction of the time. You obviously don't need to wait for a printer. Most of our cutting guides usually take at least 24 hours to prepare, if not longer. So with VR, you can actually do the segmentation very quickly.
It's very satisfying. I think just very intrigued to see how far it can go. We're still in the early stages, but very excited.
Thrilled to be part of a project where we're pushing the envelope even further. And the focus of this, of course, is just meeting the patient and the clinician's needs.
As we operate within the public system, we make these advanced technologies available for wider population. Otherwise, it would be very expensive through private organizations and private clinics. But our motivation is to make these technologies available for everyone.
Without Tri actually taking that first step to back ACCISS, none of this would have been possible. None of it would have happened without that original backing.
So that's a great translational story.
It's transformative technology. I know it's a cliche, but it really has been.